Hey there, beauties! Welcome back to my channel, Emily's Beauty. Today, I'm super excited to share some amazing tips on how to achieve that coveted natural glow for your skin right at home. Whether you're looking to brighten up your complexion or just want to pamper yourself, I've got you covered with some simple yet effective methods. So let's dive right in. Step 1. Cleansing. First things first, let's talk about cleansing. A clean canvas is essential for glowing skin. I recommend using natural cleansers like honey or yogurt. They're gentle and super effective. Just apply a small amount to your face, massage it in for a minute, and then rinse with lukewarm water. This will remove impurities without stripping your skin of its natural moisture. Trust me, your skin will thank you. Step 2. Exfoliation. This is a game changer for radiant skin. Exfoliating helps to remove dead skin cells and reveal the fresh, glowing skin underneath. I suggest a simple DIY exfoliator made from sugar and olive oil. Mix equal parts. Gently massage it onto your damp skin in circular motions and rinse off. Do this 2 to 3 times a week for the best results. Step 3. Hydration. Now let's hydrate. Keeping your skin moisturized is key to achieving that glow. If you have dry skin, go for a rich moisturizer like aloe vera gel or coconut oil. For oily skin, a lightweight, non-comedogenic moisturizer works wonders. Applying a moisturizer after cleansing and exfoliating will lock in that moisture and keep your skin looking fresh and radiant. But before we move on to face masks, here's a little tip for you. If you're unsure about your skin type, I've got something special for you. Check the comments below for a link to a quick quiz. Just click the link, head to the first website, and you'll find a fun way to discover your skin type. Knowing your skin type will help you choose the right products for that natural glow. So don't miss out. Step 4. Face masks. And who doesn't love a good face mask? A quick and easy DIY mask you can try is a mix of turmeric and yogurt. Just blend them together, apply it to your face, and leave it on for about 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing off. This mask is fantastic for brightening your complexion and adding that extra glow. Last step, conclusion. Finally, don't forget to protect your skin. Always wear sunscreen to shield your beautiful face from harmful UV rays. Thanks for joining me today, beauties. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more beauty tips and tricks. Until next time, stay glowing.